Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 is back on Facebook Live. Oh, yeah, diet needs and stuff like that. So I'll be back and forth on YouTube and everything, YouTube. So, yeah, that's all. All right, so that's all to it, okay? So I'm continuing on dying eggs, ladies and gentlemen, okay? All right. So, all right, there we go. All right, at all angles and stuff like that. So here we go. This is a happy one though. Okay. Oh, easy does it. Easy does it. Easy, 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 easy. Yeah. Darn. How do you like that? This is a sad one right there. This was steam kind of not dissolving. This was a sad one. Seemed like this one is dissolving. Okay. So let's see. This ain't a sad one. This is a happy one right here. Okay, easy does it. There you go. Okay, this is a happy one too. Okay, easy does it to that. All right, there we go. All right, so continue on dying eggs. There we go. And not a hoodlum to ruin it. All right, and yep. I sure wish Eastland and Brooklyn was here, and AJ and Zelly and Erica was here with me. I'm talking about my good friend, who I truly. This is still a sad one, okay. All right, so did I just put this in? Yeah. I just put this in here. Okay, let's see. All right, there we go. That's a sad egg, Like the dead end kid say, I want these things, I want these things, I want these things, I want these things. All right, here we go. Oh, that camera stopped by itself. Ain't that something, y'all? Yep-a-roni. So let's see. I guess I just put that in. All right, easy does it right here. There we go. And there. All right, easy. All right, easy does it. Okay, did I put this in here? Let's see. Nothing in there. Okay, so let's put this right here and put this one right here. 6 Easter eggs finished. A lot more to go. All right, a lot more to go. Well, with that, Karam, I need to go get the other memory card. So recording on all angles. Okay. All right. I don't know who's watching this. Continue on dying eggs and stuff like that. Hi. Talking to the other camera. Hi. Talking to another one. All right. So anyway. Brock don't want to die no eggs, He definitely don't want to, cause I guess Brock figured as though that he too old to be dying eggs, Let's show this again, the Mario stuff, and this, that, and the other, okay, and the Easter eggs and stuff like that. Whoa, that's a pile of lot, So I'm not making no. It's bubbling. Yeah, that's bubbling. This one bubbling too. What am I? Is this on fire or what? I'm gonna say on the stove. Is this kitchen table a stove? I need to know right now if this kitchen table is a stove. Just like the let me see, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, just like the fourth Easter without my mama though. Okay, so I started dying eggs by myself in 2017, well, no, in 2016, that was before my grandmother passed, My grandmother was still alive in 2016 around Easter, Look at that. This is still a sad one, you know. This is still a sad one. This was a sad one, but I guess this one took a while to dissolve. Well, in that case, let me test this, okay? Okay. It's not dissolving. Yeah, this gonna be a sad egg, y'all. This is automatically sad because I can't find a coloring tablet pill for this one. You know. I guess I ruined y'all Easter. I ruined my Easter show. You know. I guess this is enough for that, and enough for this, and that. Easy does it, yo. Easy. Ooh. Easy does it. There you go. And put some eggs in here. And here. Let's see. Is this a happy one? Oh, this is almost happy. You know, not a sad one. It's almost a sad one. And that pill is not quite dissolving. So let's see. Not dissolving. Well, it's almost a happy one. You know. Put that in there. You know, Easter eggs taste different than regular eggs. You know, it ain't incredible eggs. You know, it's definitely not incredible eggs. You know, yeah, I love eggs from my head down to my legs, from my head down to my feet. I mean, from my head down to my feet, from my head down to my legs. Incredible legs. Yeah, I love eggs sometimes. From my head down to my toes. Yep. I love eggs from my head down to my legs. Yes, indeed, Woody. This is a sad egg. Ain't this something, y'all? This is a sad egg. That sucks. Okay, this is a sad egg, but there's gonna be more sad eggs here. Okay, this is a sad one. I guess this is a happy one. Is it? Looks happy. Yep, it looks happy. I want to ask the parents. Are y'all parents still waiting for the Easter Wabbit? I need to know if y'all waiting for the Easter Wabbit. This is still sad. Let's see. This is still sad. Yeah, this is sad. You know, no, this is happy. My bad, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for saying that. Okay. All right. There we go. I'm sorry for saying that's sad. You know. I don't know when Erica gonna watch this. I'm pretty sure Brittany gonna watch this. You know. Nala, I hope you're watching this. You're probably at your own house, you know. Nala, you're probably at your own house watching this. Happy birthday to your baby. Happy belated birthday to your child, okay? My auntie been asking about you. If you're watching this, my auntie said you are a favorite person. Yeah. Yes. Yep. So, yeah, cause you know my auntie love positivity. She don't like no negativity. This show is about positivity. You know what? I should have invited my best friend Shamika in here to dye eggs with. You know. Maybe next year. You know. And oh snap! Oh gosh! I don't know if that camera caught it. Did that camera caught it? I don't know. But I'm a rewind the tape to see what happened. Okay. Yes, indeed. Was this okay? Let me see. Yeah. All right. All right, y'all. I'm about to go to YouTube Live, and I'll be back on Facebook Live. I'm going to be back and forth today, all right? Bye.